Time now 5:03 this morning. The White House is defending Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. this morning. In the hot seat, Kennedy faced criticism from both sides of the aisle over the recent changes to vaccine policy, plus firings and resignations at the CDC. Jared Hill reports.
He's a very good person. And he means very well.
President Trump is defending Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
If you look at what's going on in the world with health and look at this country also with regard to health, I like the fact that he's different.
After a combative Senate hearing.
You're making things up to scare people, and it's a lie.
With respect, I do not think I'm the one making things up.
Kennedy, who's questioned the efficacy of vaccines and elevated unsupported claims about their alleged harms, drew fire from even staunch Trump allies over recent cuts to vaccine research and access to the COVID-19 vaccine. Republican Senator Bill Cassidy is a physician.
I would say effectively we're denying people vaccine.
You're wrong.
It was Kennedy's first appearance on Capitol Hill since he pushed out former CDC Director Susan Menares last week, sparking a number of resignations.
These changes were absolutely necessary adjustments to restore the agency to its role as the world's gold standard public health agency.
In a Wall Street Journal op-ed yesterday, Menares wrote she was fired after refusing to, quote, pre-approve the recommendations of a vaccine advisory panel newly filled with people who have publicly expressed anti-vaccine rhetoric.
I did not say that to her.
So she's lying today to the American people in the Wall Street Journal.
Yes, sir.
That CDC advisory panel is set to meet later this month to discuss vaccine recommendations.
More than 70% of Americans believe that vaccine should be made more available, according to a CBS News poll that was released ahead of that hearing.